Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to give you a single digital design challenge. It will not be very easy, it will not be very difficult, but the level will be the intermediate level. So I expect all of you to try to solve this digital design challenge. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see what is this digital design challenge. Friends, in this digital design challenge, output will be 1 bit, input will be 1 bit data. And expected output is a pulse signal on each data toggle. Let us see it in the form of waveforms. So in this design challenge, you have to draw a logic diagram to generate the expected output as follows. So this is the clock signal, this is the input, and this is the expected output. Expected output is nothing but pulse signals whenever there is a toggling in the input data, as I mentioned earlier. So here input goes from 1 to 0, so I should get 1 pulse in the output signal. So when the input goes from 0 to 1, we should get 1 pulse. Similarly, when the input goes from 1 to 0, we should get 1 pulse. When input goes from 0 to 1, we should get 1 pulse. Now you can pause my video here. Try to think of its answer. If something comes to your mind, please write it down in the comment section so that we can discuss it there. Friends, I am not going to give you answer of this question in this video only, but I will definitely give its solution in the upcoming video. So please keep watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. If you also like this digital design challenge, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we are going to create many such videos where we will ask you many design challenges. And I would like to thanks all the viewers for your time and your support.